Hi, second graders. Happy Friday, April 3rd. Today you will be choosing 2 juice samples from the juice bar, which is on page 243. It looks like this right here, that you would like to mix together. You then need to add those 2 juices together to find the total, need to add a T in there. Then you will make change from the dollar. So I have an example, a couple examples. You need to pull up page 243. And there are a bunch of different juices to choose from. Then you are going to pick 2 juices. So I first picked grapefruit juice and green apple juice. And if I go back, grapefruit juice is 11 cents and green apple juice is 25 cents. So I put that here, 11 plus 25. I lined up my ones and my tens, and now I need to solve. So I'm adding. So it says 1 plus 5. I didn't make a new 10, so I just dropped my 6. 1 plus 2, 3, so I have 36 cents. Then I'm going to move over here and I'm going to take my total that I have and subtract it from $1 because I'm giving the cashier $1 and the cashier now owes me 36 cents back. So then on the side, I'm going to take 100, and I'm going to subtract 36 from it. And remember to line your ones, your tens, and your hundreds up so it doesn't get confusing. So let's walk through this. If the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top, I have to go next door and knock, knock, knock. Or if I have 0, can I take 6 away from that? Nope. So I'm going to go next door and knock. No one's home. So I have to go next door to the hundreds cup. Somebody's home. So I have to ungroup that 100. That 100 becomes a 0. And then I put that here to make 10. Okay, I'm going to cross that out, put it here. But now I still need to get some of those 10s over to my ones cup. So I'm going to cross out my 10. That's going to become a 9. I'm going to ungroup one of those, and I'm going to give that 1 to my ones cup to make 10. Now I can go ahead and subtract 10 minus 6. Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I get 4. 9 minus 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I get 6. 0 minus 0 is just 0. I add my cent sign, then I need to plug it in my 2 spots, 64 cents, and then 64 cents is my change. Okay, once I finish with 1, now I'm going to move on to the next one, and I'm going to pick 2 new juices. So I went back to this page and I picked orange juice. So my orange juice costs 18 cents and my banana juice costs 39 cents. So I wrote orange juice and banana juice, then juice price number 1, orange juice was 18 cents, juice price number 2 was 39 cents. So I wrote those there, and now I need to first add what's the total cost. If I buy those 2 juices, how much money do I owe the cashier? So I'm going to start in my ones cup, 8 plus 9. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I made a new group of 10, so I carry the 1, and I drop my 7. Okay, now I'm going to add my tens cup, 3, 4, 5. And orange juice and banana juice together costs 57 cents. So now I'm going to take my total 100 cents because I'm going to give the cashier $1, and that cashier is going to owe me money back. So I'm going to take my 100 cents and I'm going to subtract that 57 cents to find how much change will the cashier give me. Because again, I'm buying orange juice, banana juice. In order to buy it, I have to pay 57 cents, but I'm giving them a $1 bill or 100 cents, so they owe me change. I'm trying to figure out how much change do they owe me. So I gave $1, 100 cents, and I'm subtracting the 57 cents that I owe them. Okay, now we're going to subtract. The number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top. I go next door and I knock, knock, knock. Is anybody home? Nope. So I go next door again, and I'm going to ungroup my 100. So now I have 0 hundreds, and I'm going to give that here. So now I have 10 tens. But I still need to get some ones into my ones cup. So I need to ungroup a 10. So now I have 9 10s and I have 10 1s. Okay, now 10 minus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3. 9 minus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 4, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So I will have 43 cents left over after buying orange juice. Oops. After buying orange juice and banana juice. So I'm going to put my answer in both of those spots, 43 cents. Okay, you can start with the first two that Mrs. Mettert did, the last two examples that I did, and now you need to do 2 more on your own. Make sure to show your work and do it how Mrs. Mettert did. Okay, once you are done with those, you are going to then do your check understanding. So here it says, explain how to use the adding up method to subtract 68 cents to $1. I'm going to let you decide. You can do just the simple subtraction, how we've been doing it, or I will show you the adding up method in a second here. So let's start with just the basic subtraction that we've been practicing. Okay, so if I have the number on the bottom, it's bigger than the number on the top, I go next door and I knock, knock, knock. Nobody's home, so I have to go over to the hundreds cup. Knock, 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 somebody's home. So that's going to become a 0. And this is going to become a 10. Cross that off, 10. But now I need to get some over to my ones cup still. So I'm going to cross that off. This becomes a 9. And this becomes a 10. Okay, now I can subtract 10 minus 8. 8, 9, 10. That's 2. 9 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. So then I'm going to add my dollar sign. Whoop, and my decimal for 32 cents. Remember, our adding up method is I could take 68 cents that I have, and then I need to get up to $1. So I'm going to do ones first until I get to a 10, and then I'm going to do my 10 sticks. 68 cents, 69, 70. I'm going to switch over to 10 sticks. 80, 90, 100. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32 cents. Did I get the same answer as the other way? I sure did. So this is our traditional way, right, that we've been practicing. This is the way we've talked about in class, but it's been a while, where we start at the number and we go until we get to ones, and then we add our tens until we get to that number. Okay, it gets us the same answer. And so either one works, but you do what works best for you. Go ahead and solve it, just like Mrs. Mettert did. And then you are done with math for today.